What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm here to show you how to cook a turkey using aku. First, we're gonna start by cutting off the unnecessary fins and discarding them in the marina, like so. Next, we'll separate the head and entrails and discard them as well. Great for crab bait, eel bait, any of the above, or for that awesome, amazing ex-girlfriend. Yes, as you can see, there are a lot of worms in the belly, which can totally be removed by simply cutting off the belly. Scrump diddly dumptious. Next, we'll move on to filleting these tasty little morsels by simply running a knife down the spine. You'll get 2 fillets and some bones. Next, you cut the bones apart to make fried aku. Or in this case, we're using turkey. In aku, worms are simply like politicians. Simply cut them off as soon as possible and leave no trace of them whatsoever. This rubbish, just like our politicians here in Hawaii, make perfect crab bait. Perfect for these bottom-feeding, evil world enders. Next, we'll break the aku down into strips and prepare to dry it. Separate the spine, take out the bloodline, or keep it in if you prefer. We prefer no bloodline. Tomorrow's menu, braised dog with garlic sauce. Mmm. After removing all the excess bloodline, we'll simply break it down into strips. How big you choose, up to you. We have a dehydrator we're going to be using, so we'll make small strips. Seasoning is an option. You can brine your fish, or you could simply season it. We're simply seasoning ours. Our recipe is a secret. You will never know. No. Try wait. Okay, I give them. You like the recipe? I give them. No worries. Okay. So you add 1 part thyme. Okay, just 1 part thyme. And another part, never you mind. You're not getting my recipe. Suck it. Next, we're gonna lomi this bugger with our seasoning. You know you all like to lomi. Now that we got coronavirus going, we all stay doing a little bit more lomi. Or if you're not, you're probably sleeping outside with the dog. So lomi your fish, or in this case, turkey, very good. And then place them on the racks for drying. Go check them. Go check them. You go. Go check. Go check. Go check. I'll go wait. Right. Now dry your aku at 850 degrees for about 8.5 seconds or 5 degrees for 1 month. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Case closed. A #1 top shape, best dry aku in 30 minutes. Roger that. Alright, ladies, ask your man, can you make me dry aku? If not, kick him to the curb. Here you go.